Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are the assembly of the servos. This is the new servo sound which I've made for the new versions of my upgraded RC. This is how I made the servo sound very easily. This is how I glue it together. I cut the ends of the previous servo sound to glue it together with the main new servo sound. Um, this is a most upgraded and unique versions of the servos horn, which I think is more better for my RC. And this is the previous servos horn hinge which I used from my previous configurations of my RC, while this is the new servos horn for the newer configurations, and it fits in the previous uh, servos hinge, which I screw it together with my main servos. This is a great versions of the new servo sound that I'm gonna use for the new upgraded mechanism assembles. And these are the screw which I used to tie off for the mechanism. So this is the body of the previous mechanisms, which is the upgraded versions of the mechanism. So now I'm gonna fix the servos and fit it together to the mechanism.